today I'm here to share a small unboxing with you. I recently placed an order from Ink Road Stamps. It was the first time I'd ever placed an order from them, and it came today, and I have to tell you, I am just so impressed with everything about this order that I just needed to share it all with you. So this is the order. I only ordered 2 stamp sets. One actually said it was pre-order, so I didn't think that it was going to come, but it's here. It arrived today with my other stamps, so I'm very excited. You can see it was wrapped. It came in this padded envelope, and then it was wrapped in this really beautiful tissue paper that I am totally going to hold on to and actually try and use in a project. So then inside, and I already opened this up, so everything's opened, but I tried to recreate it, so I kind of repackaged it the way that it came. So it has this cute little card from Laura, and on the back it says I'm a roadie and shows all the ways that you can follow them. And then there is also this little card with a thank you for the order that I placed, also from Laura, and it has this little sticker attached to it, just a little freebie that came with the order. And then also, there's so much here. This is not part of my order. This was just free with what I ordered. So I got a little ink pad, a little pigment ink pad, and then this little bag is filled with these gorgeous white sequins. So how cute is that? So this is not, like I said, part of the order. It just came with what I ordered. So the things I actually ordered are these 2 stamps. So this one is, I can't remember the name of it actually. Is it on here? I should have looked that up. Okay, well, I will look it up and I will link it below, but it's all about coffee, which of course I had to have because my life is nothing without coffee, and I hope you can see all of these, but they're so cute. So this little, a cup of Get Shit Done, another one that says the same thing, and these little kind of like frappuccino style mugs, and then a regular coffee mug, and I like it to go coffee mug, and then all of these little sayings that fit inside these cups. So things like, may your coffee kick in before reality does, coffee and gangsta rap, life is stupid and dumb, maybe swearing will help, damn it feels good to be a gangsta, what a brutiful day, I cannot brain today, I has the dumb, it's a beautiful day to leave me alone. And then the bigger ones say death before decaf, that's what I do, I drink coffee and I know things, I don't know what I do without coffee, probably 25 to life. So first I drink the coffee, then I do the things. Today's Good Mood sponsored by coffee, and then I own you, mug life, and what the frap. So how cute are those? Obviously I couldn't pass this up. This is just too perfect. I love every single one of these. I cannot wait to use this. So the other one that I got is a Gilmore Girls themed stamp, which again, it could not be more perfect. And I, again, don't remember what this one was called. I really should have looked that up before I started this video, but I was just so excited. I was so excited to show all of this to you. So I will, again, look it up and I will link it below. So like I said, Gilmore Girls themed. If you don't watch the show, why not? It's amazing. You should be watching it. So all of these things that come from that show, like In Omnia Paratus, what she tackles, she conquers. Do you like coffee? Only with my oxygen. Oi with the poodles already. I love you, you idiot. As long as everything is exactly the way I want it, I'm totally flexible. I need a taco. I mean, come on. That couldn't be more perfect. Coffee please in a vat. People are particularly stupid today. I cannot talk to any more of them. I'm afraid once your heart's involved, it all comes out in moron. So it's a show, it's a lifestyle, it's a religion. If eating cake is wrong, I don't want to be right. I smell snow, you jump, I jump, I need caffeine, whatever form you've got, and WWTBFCD. And then just these adorable little icons like the umbrella that goes with the In Omnia Paratus, books, coffee, apron. Oh, and pancakes. of course, it's perfect and I love it and I cannot wait to use it. So that is the order from the Ink Road Stamps. Thank you so much, Laura. This is amazing. And go out and get yourself some stamps because look at how adorable all of this is. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching.